going to be learning about perimeter. Perimeter. And who knows what a perimeter is? Who can tell me? You can type it in the chat. You can raise your hand. Has anybody ever seen a perimeter or heard about perimeter before? Danae says, I only know surface area. Okay, they're around the same thing, guys. Almost the same thing. Has anybody had to calculate perimeter or anything of the sort? No. Ola says they know. Rolivua, what is, so nice to see you, Rolivua. Hello. What is perimeter?
Hello.
Hello.
I think it's when you add the sides of the shape together, like you just add it, not times it. Yeah.
Good. We're only multiplying. Good. So that's exactly what it is. Right. So let's say, for instance, guys, this irregular shape that we're looking at over here. Let's say this is actually your house, okay, or the yard around your house. So there's your house there, okay, with the little door and the tiny little windows there. There's like a tiny little dog woofing outside and you playing soccer there. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Okay, excellent. Gareth has already done it at school. Okay. How did you know the name of my dog? I called my dog George. Okay, good. So now what I want to do, guys, is I want to decorate the outside of my house, right? And I want to put a nice big red ribbon around the house. So I'm going to start measuring my fence because that's where I want to put this ribbon. So I'm going to start over here and I'm going to measure from here all the way to there, from there all the way to there, all the way to there, and all the way to there. And that's how much ribbon I need. Now, if I tell you guys that, let's say, for instance, this side is 10 meters long, and this side over here is 15 meters long. This side over here is 8 meters long, and this side over here is 22 meters long. I want to ask you guys, how much ribbon do I need to buy? How much ribbon do I need to cover the whole house, to go around the whole house or the whole yard? How much ribbon do I need? Kebo, not quite. And we're going to speak about why that is. No, Dumisa, you can't just say a lot. Okay. Sanelisa, if you say for what? Okay. Rolivua, how much ribbon would I need?
I think 55 meters.
Good. I would need 55 meters of ribbon because I need to go around the whole yard. Yes?
Yes.
Excellent. Well done. That's the absolute correct answer. Well done. Okay. I need 55 meters so that I can start wrapping my house from here and going all the way around the house. So in order for me to know how much ribbon I need to go around the entire house, I need to add the length of all the sides. Okay. Now, that is how we calculate for perimeter. We go around the shape. Now, Nondumiso, was it you? Let me just see. Oh, Gebo is asking, ma'am, can you also say P is equal to 4 times L? You cannot say that here because the sides are not equal, just like you said. Okay, and we're going to get to that. That's actually Wednesday's lesson. We're going to be looking at the perimeter of squares and of, sorry, we're going to be looking at the perimeter of squares and of rectangles and of sides that have the same, or of shapes that have the same length of side going around. Okay, now when we express perimeter, guys, we always write a P. And let me just make sure here. That's so true, Yonela. I'm so proud of you guys for coming through over during the holidays. Yonela's like, there's so many people even on the holidays. Yes, you guys are amazing. Thank you for coming through. I know Teacher Kat and I are just so amazing. You couldn't stay away from us. That's terrible. Okay. All right, guys. So we write a capital letter P. Capital letter P, not a small letter P, capital letter P. So when I ask you guys to give me the measurement of the perimeter. You guys are always going to write capital letter P in the chat. You're going to write capital letter P is equal to, and then you're going to write the number 55, and then you're going to give me the unit. So it must be in meters. Okay, Danae, you are almost there. Capital letter P. Now I want everyone to type in the chat for me. Capital letter P is equal to 55 meters. There we go, Danae. Well done. There we go. Happy belated birthday, Ola, and I get to eat more cake. Amazing. Well done. And thank you, everybody, for putting the correct answer in the chat. Excellent, guys. This is easy. This is easy, easy stuff. Good. Capital letter P is equal to 55. Kangwa, do not forget the meters. Because if you just say 55, 55 what? 55 eaten apples, 55 donkeys, 55 men in a line. Okay, you need to write meters. Okay. All right, guys. Okay, so we're going to try a couple of examples. Okay, let's start with number 1. Now, when we calculate for this, right, we always need to make sure that we're writing it properly. Okay, so we need to start P is equal to, and then we need to put all the sides together. So we go 10 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 10 centimeters. And then our next line is going to say, therefore, don't forget my therefore. You guys know how much I love my therefore. Therefore, P is equal to 40 centimeters. Okay. Now, I want you guys to do this exact same thing that I've done here in your book, wherever you are writing, do the same thing for number 2 for me. And when you're done, please type done in the chat for me. Cindy, this is term 4 work, yes. Excellent. It was too easy. Should have just given you guys like 20 seconds because I knew you guys could do it. Pretty easy. All right. Bonolo, do you want to answer this question with me? You want to tell me what to write? Or are you not done yet? It looks like you're still writing. I'll give you a second. Hold on. You can unmute now, my sweetie.
I'm done, ma'am.
Okay, excellent. All right, let's answer this one together. What do I say first? What do I need to write?
Capital letter P
Excellent is equal to.
is equal to 15 centimeters
Good.
plus 7 centimeters plus 15 centimeters.
Yeah, 1 second, plus 15 centimeters, yeah.
Plus 7 centimeters.
Plus 7 centimeters, excellent.
Therefore,
excellent.
capital letter P
Good.
is equals to 44 centimeters.
Well done, 44 centimeters. I picked on you because I knew you knew the answer. Excellent, very well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Awesome. All right, Ganiso, you can go next because we're going to be doing another exercise. Okay. Saneliso, I don't think it's 45. Please just check your calculations again. Okay. Because 15 plus 15 will give us 30, and 7 will give us 14. So all of it together needs to give us 44. Okay, just check your calculation again. All right, so we're going to be doing these questions, 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are very easy. Pay particular attention to numbers 2 and 4. Okay, remember, we're not just calculating 2 sides. We need to go all the way around the shape. That's okay, Tando. Welcome. Okay, I'm going to give you guys 4 minutes to answer questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. That means at 6:20, we're going to come back. pop the fire emoji in the chat when you're done. Remember, guys, one emoji, please. Go for it. Okay, Nkanyisa, no problem. Mutebang, I agree. They're quite easy. Buhle, do you have a question or is your hand up to answer a question? Because if you're going to answer a question, I'm hoping that you're already done writing everything down. Remember the order that we need to write it in, okay? Anneliso, if you can't see everything, please just try zooming in or out for me, okay, Buhle? Then you need to answer all the questions for me first, okay? Try zooming in and out on your screen and see if that doesn't help, because if I move up, other people won't be able to see anything else, okay? Danae, we still can't find our emoji. No worries, guys. Well done. Okay, that's okay. Nice one, Nondumiso. Nice, guys. You've got 2 more minutes. Okay, take your time. You don't need to rush. All right, guys, that's time. Okay. Buhle, do you want to unmute for me and let's do number 1 together? Okay, that's okay. Caroline, sometimes if you can't find the emoji, just write fire. Okay. Okay, let's do number 1 quickly. What am I going to write?
Okay. So you're going to write P equals. Okay. P equals 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 13 centimeters plus 9 centimeters plus 13 centimeters. Therefore, P equals 51 centimeters.
Excellent. Very well done. You did that so efficiently and so, like, just everything was so well done, dude. Amazing. Well done. Okay. Very well done. Okay, Nkanyisa, do you want to do number 2 with me? Let's do number 2.
Morning.
Good evening.
Okay, so number 2 is P equals 23 centimeters,
Ooh, not centimeters.
23 meters
Good.
plus 23 meters
Good.
plus 12 meters
Mm-hmm.
plus 12 meters.
Excellent.
Therefore,
Therefore,
P equals 70.
good. 70 what?
Meters.
Good meters. Tell me, Nkanyisa, where did you get this other 23 and this other 12? Where did it
Aren't you
come from?
Aren't you supposed to do like that? You just figure randomly.
No, it's not actually random. You're 100% correct. But can you explain to me why you decided on 23 meters instead of 25 meters? Why did you choose 23 meters?
No, because it's supposed to have like four sides equal to a meter. So go
Good.
to
So it's supposed to have 4 sides, but what kind of shape is it? What kind of shape is it, Nkanyisa?
rectangle.
Good, it's a rectangle. And what do we know about the opposite sides of a rectangle?
They're always equal.
They're always equal, good. So which means this side down here is going to be 23 meters. And what about the side on the left here?
12 meters.
12 meters, do you see? You actually did it correctly because your mind was there, but you're like, somebody told me this is what I'm supposed to do. No, you know exactly what it is you're doing, my dude. Okay, very well done. That's why we can add them that way. Well done.
Thank
All
you.
right. Excellent. Mutebang, do you want to do number 3 for me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. What am I writing?
P equals 6 centimeters
Mm-hmm.
plus 6 centimeters
Good.
plus 14 centimeters
Mm-hmm.
plus 14 centimeters
Mm-hmm.
plus 9 centimeters.
Good. Okay, what comes next?
Therefore, P equals 49 centimeters.
49 centimeters. You did that so perfectly. Well done. Well done, Mutebang. Amazing. Okay, Maya, let's do number 4. And for those of you who have your hands up, don't worry, there are a lot more where those come from. Okay, Maya, let's do number 4. Are you there?
Yes, miss.
All right. What am I writing?
P equals 26 meters plus 10 meters plus
Good.
20 meters plus 10 meters.
Excellent.
Therefore, P equals 72 meters.
Good. 72 meters. Well done. You did that so perfectly.
Thank you, ma'am.
Awesome, Maya. Well done. All right. Oluka, you're right. It's so easy, right? So easy. Nothing tricky about it at all. At all. All right. I just want to take a quick poll. Can I get a thumbs up, thumbs down in the chat? How are we feeling about answering these types of questions? I saw that Brunolo is just like, mwah, perfecto. Love it. It's a good thing, my sweetie. It means you understand what's happening. Excellent stuff, guys. Well done. All right. I'm glad everybody's on the same page because, I can't just leave it there, hey? I need to challenge you guys a little bit. All right, let's go. Are we ready? Okay, you guys have 3 minutes to calculate the perimeter of numbers 5, 6, and 7. Go. Let's pop a dancing lady emoji for me in the chat once you're done. Come on, remember, just put an emoji in the chat. You don't have to. Okay, Nkanyisa, you can ask a question. Excellent, guys. Keep those hands raised. I'm gonna have a bit of a conversation here. One more minute, guys. No, Bulela, they are not 7 sides. Count the sides properly. Oh, yay, Maya, well done. All right, guys, I'm calling it. All right, so let's have a look at number 5, because it seems a little tricky. Yonela, what do you think? How are we going to solve for number 5?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
I think that all the sides on the 23 are equal, and then on the other sides they're also equal. It's just the 15 centimeter at the top and the bottom that are the same.
Okay, awesome. So 15 centimeters at the top and at the bottom,
Are the
and then
same.
22 centimeters everywhere else.
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, I agree with you. The dimensions of the dimensions of the shape speak to that. So what am I going to write here as my sum?
P equals to
Mm,
capital letter P equals to 15 centimeters
good.
plus 23 centimeters
Mm,
plus 23 centimeters
good.
plus 23 centimeters
Mm-hmm.
plus 23 centimeters
Uh-huh.
plus 15 centimeters
Good. Mm-hmm.
equals therefore
Good. Therefore,
P equals to P equals to 122 centimeters.
good. 122 centimeters. Well done. That was quite easy, I think.
Yes.
Wasn't too hard. Well done, Yonela. Amazing. All right. Unola, hold on for me. Okay, hold on there for me. Tinashe, do you want to do number 7 with me? I'm skipping number 6 on purpose, guys. We're going to come back to it. Okay. Tinashe, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's answer number 7 quickly. Let's go for it.
Number 7, P is equals to L is equals to 11 centimeters plus 15 centimeters
Good.
plus 15 centimeters
Mm-hmm.
plus 18 centimeters.
Excellent. Then what comes next?
Therefore, P is equals to 29 centimeters.
Ooh, 29. I'm not sure about 29. I don't think it's 29. I think you may have missed it by okay, you missed it by a lot. By a lot. Click the chat. If you're still a little stuck, people are helping you out in the chat.
Oh, it's 59 centimeters, ma'am.
Good. P is equal to 59 centimeters. Everyone in the chat is helping you out, but they're all forgetting to write P is equal to. Okay, well done, Tinashe. Very well done. Please mute for me, my sweetie. All right. So now let's look at number 6. Okay, because it gives us a little bit of information, not a lot. Okay. Doesn't give us a lot of information, but it does tell us that something is 18 centimeters, and then it says all sides are equal. Okay, I want you guys to drop in the chat the answer that you got for number 6, guys. What answer did we get for number 6? So don't forget the P is equal to. Well done, Caroline. I'm glad you're finding it easy. Good. P is equal to. Okay. Excellent. And Caleb, you've already stolen my job, because that's what I was going to explain next. Okay, very well done, guys. I'm liking that therefore there. Bonola, I don't know where you found the therefore button, but well done. Therefore, P is equal to. Okay. Carrie, be careful with that 150. Ah, I see. Clever, 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 very clever. All right, so they're telling us that all the sides are equal to 18 centimeters. How many sides do we have? Good, we've got 10 sides, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sides, right? I already know the formula, you know, how to write this out. I need to go capital letter P is equal to. Now, guys, I mean, I'm not going to sit here for hours on end going 18 centimeters plus 18 centimeters plus 18 centimeters. I'll be here all night, and I don't want that, right? So I'm going to say, I know that each side is 18 centimeters. And I know that there are 10 sides, so I'm going to multiply by 10. You guys, you could literally do this for me. Okay. And then I can go, therefore, P is equal to 180 centimeters. Thank you, Mutabang. Thank you for that. I was about to address it. I needed to finish this quickly. Okay. All right. Can I get a thumbs up, thumbs down? How are we feeling about this? Because we're moving on to something a little bit more complicated. Whew, Caroline, I don't think the lazy maths teacher in me is not going to write 18 out 10 times. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. Okay. All right, excellent. Now I want us to look at something a little bit more complicated. Let me see. Okay, we're just going to do numbers 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Bunolo, you got it right. That's excellent. Okay, now I'm going to put a caveat here. All sides are equal. But normally when we look at like shapes like this, all the sides will technically already be equal. No, Ngani, so we're not going to do breakout rooms today. Okay. So guys, give me the answer for number 1. Everybody. Okay. If one side is 10 meters, this is what kind of shape is it? I'm genuinely asking because I've forgotten what it's called. Is it an octagon? 1, 2, let's see how many sides we've got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's a septagon. Well done, Nundumiso. Yes, it's a septagon. Right. So write in the chat for me, guys. Perimeter is equal to, or P is equal to. Give me the answer. P is equal to. Excellent, guys. P is equal to 72. Those of you saying centimeters, where did we get the centimeters from? Guys, that's not centimeters. That's meters. Well done, Hermione and Sange and Patiswa. Now we're getting it. 70 meters. Good. All right. Good. Although a hexagon has 6 sides and a septagon has 7 sides, and this particular shape has 7 sides. Okay, number 2, everyone, pop your answer for number 2 in the chat. Okay, good. Number 2 is a decagon. Let's count quickly. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sides. And we know that 10 sides, a shape with 10 sides is called a decagon. What is my answer going to be, guys? P is equal to, Tigelo, do not forget my units. Don't forget my units. Sisonke, you too. Okay, good. P is equal to, excellent, guys. 60, Carrie, I see your mistake a little bit there, 60 centimeters. All right, good. We just have to go 10 times 6, Oluhle. That's exactly what we do. Well done, guys. All right, let's do the last one. You're going to need a calculator for the last one, unless you're like a whiz at maths and you can do it in your head. I think I can possibly do it in my head. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Good. It's a pentagon. Well done, Bulela. It's a pentagon. So I'm going to go 5 times 27. And how much is that going to give me? That's 100. Should give me 135. Yeah. Danae, you did. You said it first. Sisonke, capital letter P, my sweetie. Okay. Good. It's 135 millimeters. Don't forget that, guys. All right. Excellent. Okay. Thumbs up, thumbs down. How are we feeling about this? Saneliso, we have one more thing to look at before we go to the brain break. And yes, we are going to be doing the brain break. Okay, don't stress. Thumbs up. Yay, I'm so glad. You guys look so happy right now. I told you guys, maths is nice. Maths is easy. Mutabang is feeling good. I like it. It is kind of like revision, Ganyi. So if you haven't done it at school yet, you just learned how to do it and it's so easy. That's okay, Pearl. We're glad to have you with us again. Okay, all right. Now let's look at something a little bit more challenging. Okay, now let's look at the question. The question says, find the side length of each of these regular polygons. Now, here's the thing, guys. They tell us what the perimeter is. They've given us the perimeter. They're telling us, therefore, P is equal to 60 meters, right? How do we then get from P is equal to 60 meters to figure out how much each of the sides? I want to know how long this side is. That's what I want to know. Does anybody have an idea? Bunolo, give me a nod or a shake. Do you know what we can do here? No. All right, Rolivua, what do you think? I can't see your camera, my sweetie.
You divide.
Good. Okay, you need to explain a little bit more, because if you just say you divide, I'm not sure what you mean. Okay, what do we need to do exactly?
You divide by the number of the sides.
Good. We can count the sides. How many
first.
sides do we have actually? 2, 3,
10.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So we know we have 10 sides, and we know that our perimeter is 60 meters, right? So what am I dividing by what?
60 divided by 10.
Good. 60 divided by 10. And how much will that give me?
6.
6 what?
6 meters.
Good. Meters. Don't forget that unit. It's very important. All right, 6 meters. And that's how we can find the length of each side. Very well done, Rolivua. I know that it's easy for you, and I know it's easy for a lot of you guys in the chat, so I'm going to leave you guys to it. Do numbers 1. Okay, we've done number 1. Do number 2 and 3 for me. Do not put the answer in the chat, guys. Don't put the answer in the chat. I want you guys to give me the nerdy guy emoji in the chat when you have the answers. Okay, so the number of sides, we have 10 sides. And then we go 60 divided by 10, and we find that the length of each side is 6 meters. Okay, we're going to use that exact same logic, figure out what number 2 is and what number 3 is, guys. Go for it. Oh, Sanelisa, that's very nice. Teacher Kat, they're saying you look very pretty without glasses.
I see that. Costing me my vision.
I mean, we gotta suffer somehow for beauty, Teacher Kat. Who, you know, like, what does it matter if you bump into a couple of
Who
poles?
needs to see? As long as I can see vague colors, I can make it.
All right, I think everyone has already figured this one out. I think so. All right, let me see. Who have I not heard from today? Sange, do you want to do number 2 for me?
Ma'am, the answer is 7. It's 7. 84
Okay, how many sides do I have?
We have 7 sides.
Good, I have 7 sides. Good, 7 sides. So how do I find the length of each side? What am I going to do?
84 divided by 7.
Good, divided by 7. And how much did that give us?
12 centimeters.
Excellent. Very well done, Sange. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Well done. Awesome. All right, Carrie, let's do the last one, my sweetie. The last one is so easy. They try to trick us, but these questions are way too easy. Carrie, how many sides do I have?
4.
Good, I have 4 sides. Okay, and how do I find the length of each side?
You say you're 36 millimeters divided by 4, which equals
Good.
29.
How much did 9 millimeters. Do not forget the millimeters, my sweetie.
Oh, sorry,
Okay.
sir.
Millimeters. Good. Excellent stuff. Well done, Carrie. Okay. Give me a number, guys. 1 being ma'am. I still don't understand you. 10 being ma'am. Why are you even here? Because I could teach myself this. How are we feeling? Excellent, guys. Amazing. I knew it. You guys are like pros at this. Absolute pros. Well done, guys. Well done. Okay. Sanelisa's like 8,9. I need to ask, where did that, like, always like 9,782. I need to ask, where did the other 0,214, where did the other 0,214 go? Michelle was like, 1 trillion gazillion. I never felt so alive. Excellent, guys. Excellent. Okay, I'm so glad.